Hello, friends. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a new contact on your phone. This can be helpful when you want to quickly save the number of a friend, colleague, or anyone else. First, you need to open the Contacts app. On most phones, it can be found on the home screen or in the app's menu. Once you open it, you'll see a list of already saved contacts. In the upper part of the screen, above the list, click on the Create New Contact option. By clicking that option, a window will open where you can enter the name, surname, phone number, and if you want, additional information such as an email address, photo, or address. You can also choose where you want to save the contact, in the phone's memory, on the SIM card, or in your Google account, which allows synchronization with other devices. Once you've entered all the information, simply click the Save button, and your new contact will be saved. Later, you can edit it, add a special ringtone, or mark it as a favorite for easier access. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it useful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.